Rokrez, the ultimate garage floor coating kit. This professional-grade 100% solids epoxy formula features a simple 3-step application process. Contains 20% more material than other leading competitors. Rokrez is available in 2 convenient kit sizes. Provides a virtually indestructible, chemical and stain-resistant, high-gloss finish for the ultimate in concrete flooring protection. Comes in 3 colors: gray, tan, and dark gray. The convenient all-in-one Rokrez kit is designed ready to use on any clean interior concrete surface. The self-leveling formula delivers a spectacular finish that will last for years. It is essential to clean your concrete surface before applying Rokrez epoxy. Sweep the floor of dirt and debris before beginning. Add 1 packet of Rokrez concentrated cleaner to 2 gallons of water. Mix until the concentrated cleaner is fully dissolved. Pour the concentrated cleaner solution and vigorously scrub with a stiff bristle brush to loosen dirt and dust. Once the entire floor is cleaned, thoroughly rinse and squeegee the entire garage floor to remove any concentrated cleaner. Allow the floor to dry completely for 24 hours. Apply duct tape on the inside of the garage door track seam to ensure the garage door does not stick to the epoxy when coated. Also, if necessary, apply masking tape around wall edges to frame in the entire garage floor. If there are cracks on the floor, use Rokrez Concrete Crack Filler to patch any cracks or pits in the concrete. Now, pour the Rokrez Base pouch into the Rokrez Kit bucket. Next, pour the Rokrez Activator pouch and mix thoroughly using the paddle mixer for 3 minutes. At this time, you can add the optional slip-resistant additive into the mixed Rokrez Base and Activator and mix until there are no clumps. Now the Rokrez Epoxy Garage Kit is ready for application. Use the 3-inch paintbrush to paint around the edges close to the walls, about 3 or 4 inches wide. Next, working in 4-foot by 4-foot sections, starting from the back of the garage or the farthest area from the garage door, pour the mixed Rokrez coating from the kit bucket into thin 2-inch ribbons onto the floor. Using the supplied 9-inch roller cover, roll the poured epoxy in an N-shaped pattern to evenly distribute the coating over the 4-foot by 4-foot section. Be sure to back roll at least 3 to 4 times to evenly distribute the coating. Next, broadcast the Rokrez Decorative Chip by grabbing a small pinch and tossing it into the air over the coated 4-foot by 4-foot working section. Leave a 6-inch to 12-inch area of wet Rokrez epoxy without decorative chip. This area will be rolled into when coating the next 4-foot by 4-foot area. Repeat all of the above steps for the remaining 4-foot by 4-foot sections until the garage floor is completely coated.